The 1963 Chevrolet Corvair 95 Rampside Pickup is a unique and highly sought-after vehicle known for its innovative design and practical features. Introduced in 1961, the Corvair 95 series included the Rampside, a pickup truck with a distinctive side-loading ramp that made it easier to load and unload cargo. This feature was particularly popular among surfers, motorcyclists, and lawn care specialists who appreciated the convenience of rolling heavy loads into the bed rather than lifting them. The Corvair 95 Rampside was powered by a rear-mounted, air-cooled 2.4-liter horizontally opposed six-cylinder engine, producing 80 horsepower and 128 pound-feet of torque. The engine was paired with a standard 3-speed manual transmission, with optional 4-speed manual and PowerGlide 2-speed automatic transmissions available. The air-cooled engine featured dual carburetors, a rarity for American economy cars at the time. The Rampside's design was ahead of its time, with a bed mounted lower than the cab, giving it a sleek and aerodynamic look. The truck featured an asymmetrical design, with the driver's side of the bed having a ramp built into it. The cargo bed was longer than a conventional truck's bed, but not level. The rear half of the floor had to be raised to clear the engine. Despite this, the Corvair 95 Rampside offered impressive payload capacity for its size, with a gross vehicle weight rating of 4,600 pounds. The interior of the Corvair 95 Rampside was basic but functional, featuring vinyl seats and a simple dashboard layout with a speedometer and gauges for fuel level and engine temperature. The steering wheel was a two-spoke design, common for the era. The truck also featured independent suspension on all four wheels, a unique feature for a truck in the 1960s, which provided a smoother ride and better handling. The Corvair 95 Rampside was part of the Corvair 95 series, which also included the Corvin panel van and the loadside pickup with a conventional double-walled box and rear tailgate. The series was named for its 95-inch wheelbase, shorter than the 108-inch wheelbase of the Corvair sedan. Despite its innovative features, the Corvair 95 Rampside never gained widespread popularity, with only 2,046 units sold in 1963. Production of the Corvair 95 Rampside ended in 1964, with a total of 9,944 units manufactured over 2 model years. The Corvair line was ultimately discontinued in 1969 due to safety concerns and competition from other domestic trucks. Today, the 1963 Chevrolet Corvair 95 Rampside Pickup is a highly coveted model among collectors and enthusiasts, appreciated for its unique design and practical features.